again.
Pagkita natin. Group 1. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, CD, gang, 1, 2, 3, go!
Cheer! Cheer! Kami ay nag-cheer! Cheer! Cheer! Kami ay nag-cheer! We are the
Ninyo?
Doubtless!
Doubtless. Parang narinig mo dati yun ah.
Parang trailer!
Kaya nyo ito dati!
Okay. Team Doubtless. 1, 2, 3, go!
Guys, we are 1, 2, 3! Cornet!
Washed in the water, washed in the blood, all because of you. Oh, hallelujah, hands up if you're thankful tonight. So unclean, and sin was stained on me. Sin was burning deep.
Dapat ito ang gagalaw. Oo, yun lang yung gagalaw. Hindi, ganun yung talaga original design niya. Ulit.
The blood was spilled on Calvary. Oh, hallelujah, I'm clean. And God, how can it be that I'm ransomed and redeemed? I'm standing in your victory. Oh, hallelujah, I've been washed in the water, washed in the blood. I'm as good as new. Oh, hallelujah, I've been washed in the water, washed in the blood. All because of you. Oh, hallelujah, I'm clean. And it's not what I have done, what you've done for me. You paid it all upon that tree. Oh, hallelujah, I'm clean. Your love has overcome, and the mercy is so great. I'm dancing in your victory. You got victory tonight, church. Because I've been washed in the water, washed in the blood. I've been good as new. Oh, hallelujah, I've been washed in the water, washed in the blood. All because of you. Sing it again. I've been washed in the water, washed in the blood. I've been washed in the water, washed in the blood. Oh, hallelujah. This is what he did. Because he took away my shame and you nailed it to the cross. You got me running out the grave.
Oh, pwede nyo na lang itapon.
Oh, hallelujah, here I come. Because you took away. Come on, this is the gospel. Nailed it to the cross. You got me running out the grave. Hallelujah, here I come. Come on, we gotta need free people. And he took away my shame. When you nailed it to the cross, you got me running out the grave and empty tonight. 'Cause you took away my shame. When you nailed it to the cross, you got me running out the grave. Hallelujah, here I come. Hallelujah, here I come. Hallelujah, here I come. Hallelujah, here I come. Hallelujah. Sing hallelujah. If you believe it, everybody jump, jump. Let's go, Indy. Everybody jump, 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 jump. Oh, I see some free people over here. Oh, 'cause who the sun sets free is free indeed. Who the sun sets free is free indeed. Who the sun sets free is free indeed. And I know 'cause I've been washed in the water, washed in the blood. I'm as good as new. I've been washed in the water, washed in the blood. Sing it again. I've been washed in the water, washed in the blood. I've been washed in the water. 'Cause you took away my shame. And you never, come on, I feel gratitude. You got me running out the grave. Hallelujah, here I come, oh Lord. 'Cause you took it away. You nailed it to the cross. You got me running, running. Oh, hallelujah, hallelujah. Oh, 'cause you took away your shame. You ought to celebrate that joy, please. You got me running out the grave. Hallelujah, here I come. 'Cause you took away my shame. You got me running out the grave. Hallelujah, here I come. Hallelujah, here I come. Here I come, hallelujah, here I come. Come on, if you're thankful, would you give him a shout of worship tonight?
Tapos yung nauna, hindi pwede siya mag-proceed. So, depende sa inyo kung gaano katagal aabutin ha.
Pila muna, pila.
Check po kasalanan nyo ha.
Again, after po uminom, ano po yung sasabihin?
Oh, pagkatapos mo uminom, sasabihin mo, the
The old has gone, the new has come. Okay, ready, start, go.
The oldest gone, the new has come.
Okay, next.
Ano lang, pre?
The oldest the
New has come. Okay, next.
The oldest gun and the newest gun.
Okay, very good, next.
Jay, ayaw pa ano?
The old gun.
Wait lang. Wait lang, wait lang, hindi pa tapos, the old. Wait lang, hindi pa Denver, dito muna, Denver. Ay, Denver.
The new has come.
The newest gun.
Okay, very good.
Ano next station natin?
Ano?
Ubusin pa. Okay. Ano po yung sasabihin? Wait lang, hindi pa nasasabi.
The oldest gun, the newest gun!
Okay, very good.
The old has gone, the new has come.
Wala na.
Minom na si Tomato.
Ano yan? Bilis ang tagal.
Lahat na, lahat.
The oldest gone.
Wait lang.
The newest gun. The oldest gun, the newest gun.
Wala na.
Tapos na?
Wala na.
Ready, go!
The oldest gun, the newest gun.
Next.
Lunok agad. The oldest gun, the newest gun.
The oldest gun, the
Pipino natin ang palayo. Pipino ang palayo. Natin
The oldest gone, the new has come.
Okay, very good. Next.
The oldest gun, the newest gun. Pipino ang palayo.
Wait lang po.
The newest gun,
The old has gone.
The oldest gun, the newest gun.
Okay.
Yan.
Next.
Ate MG nalalasahan daw po ni Aaron. The oldest gun daw.
Hindi, kaya mo yan.
Okay.
The oldest gun, the newest gun. Bilis
Last na lang.
Grabe yan!
Lunok agad!
Shot!
Sige, ganun. Lunok agad! Lunok agad! Huwag mo nga nang
Ano yan? Ano ba? Sige! Pipino ang palayo. Pipino at saka ang palayo. Yeah! Oh!
Yan! Yan! Sige na, sabihin mo na!
Sabihin mo na! Gun, the newest come.
Game!
Ano next?
Okay, game. Sino mauna? Ready?
Okay, ready, set, go.
Ano yung sasabihin?
The old is gone, the new
All this can, you has come.
Okay, very good. Next. Asa yung paper ninyo? Okay. Okay, ulit.
Diretso mo
Ulit,
ba?
ulit.
Compare lang yan.
Wait lang. Ulit.
Tumatagal kayo.
Wait lang.
Sa bagay na kailang matalo.
Lunok.
Lunok. The oldest guy.
Sabihin mo na.
Sabihin mo, ayos.
Okay, next. Nakakami naman.
The old is gone, the new is gone.
Okay, next. Ayun na si Gracie. Wait lang po. Hintayin po natin si Gracie. Ulit ba si Gracie?
Gracie, ulit ka.
Ano sabihin?
The old has gone, the new has come.
Hindi naman yata natuwa.
Sige yan, go.
Gone, the new has come. Okay, next. Okay, next.
Go.
Isa na lang yan. Ay, dalawa.
Hindi naman.
Isa na lang po.
Tapos ganda tayo.
Say, ikaw pa talaga.
Wala siya, ano yung scam.
Sa labat lang yan, Say.
Salabat na yan pala.
The old has gone, the new has come. Yan. Okay.